All right, today we're gonna take out the ECM on a 1997 Ford E350 with the V-10 engine, 6.8 liter. It is having a little bit of problem where it will just randomly turn off for no reason, whether you're at highway speeds, idling, could be just about anything. There's no rhyme or reason. Contacted Banks Power, who has installed a module along with an exhaust system on this motorhome. And let's see, right here, let me see if I can do this here. Yeah, right here is the system. And so we're going to get back here to the ECM that is back here. So I'm going to have to take out a few parts, pull out the ECM, and then, according to Banks, the primary issue is either a loose connection or a bad chip. So he likened it to an old Nintendo cartridge where you just need to blow on it, clean it out good, maybe some alcohol with a Q-tip, and retry it. So we're going to give that a try right now. Okay, in order to get back there, I'm going to have to take off this Banks air pack here. So looks like 5/16 should make quick work of this. And remove these four. This is exciting. Okay, now I'm just gonna lift this out of the way. Okay, so 10mm socket against these two screws that are holding the computer into the firewall, or bolts I should say. There it is. That's what we're taking out right there. All right, both are out. Now, the computer slides out. It actually goes through the firewall. There was a bolt right in the end that holds the cable. It needs to come out. Okay. And you'll see that's where all the ribbon cables go in. And here is our Banks chip that was installed aftermarket. It's called an Ottomind. I will take that piece of tape off in a second and you will see that, and then we are going to take it inside and clean everything up. Okay, so off comes this piece of duct tape. And out comes the chip. So this is what is provided from Banks as part of their power pack. It's called the Ottomind, but the letters are kind of ripped off. Anyway, we are going to clean these metal connectors as well as this circuit board where they connect, and then use some compressed air to clean everything out and put it back together and hope for the best. So first comes some compressed air. Next comes some cleaning with alcohol. This is well, the label's gone, but it's rubbing alcohol. Take my word for it. Maybe not the best idea. Probably will work better on the circuit board. It was kind of dirty. Alright, we're going to try a little alcohol on a t-shirt because the cotton swab just could not stand up to the abrasiveness of the teeth here. It's hard to get down in there. Okay, after trying a t-shirt and a stick and some cotton swabs and stuff, I did get a lot of dirt out of it. Don't know if that's going to make a difference, but we can hope. So I'm going to put it back together now, making sure I'm going to wiggle it a little bit to make sure it's in really good contact. All right, and then some tape next. I really like the Gorilla brand duct tape. Nothing seems to really compare. super durable and sticky. All right, there we go. Uh-oh, I don't remember how this went. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's go put it back together. Okay, we're just going to reverse everything now and put it back together. If we can remember how, that would be great. Okay, we see the ACM is back in place. All we have to do is button it up with those 10mm bolts and reattach the ribbon cable and see what happens. Well, minor miracle, did not drop either one of those. Alright, I decided to go with the old impact instead of taking forever with the socket wrench. And the computer is back in place. Alright, now it's just time to put this airflow system back on and we will be done. Whoop whoop. All right, well, today all we know that mainly we were trying to show you where the ECM was and a potential fix to a problem if you do have the Banks Powerpack system installed with the Ottomind module. The only way we'll know if this actually fixes the problem is drive this thing and see if we still have the random problem of just the motor just cutting off with no warning. Once again, I did speak with Banks and they said that was a problem that was either due to loose connection or bad chip. We've fixed the loose connection issue possibilities. If that doesn't work, we will remove the chip and then drive it. If that doesn't work, then we're going to replace the ECM. So good luck with your Ford V10. Hopefully if this is a problem you're having, this will help you out. Thanks a lot.